What is going on, cryptocurrency investors? My name is Landon. Welcome to Cryptoreviewcentral. On this channel, you can find daily videos that cover a wide range of topics, all to do with this very exciting and hyper-evolving space of cryptocurrency. I do fundamental analysis as well as showing you technical analysis and any major partnerships that happen, which is all the time. Earlier this week, we looked at the developments that Bancor is making in Kenya, putting the local sales and trades of tomatoes on the Bancor blockchain and bringing with it the inherent benefits of blockchain technology. This space is evolving so rapidly and it's jam-packed with excitement, sweat, blood, tears, and the hope of tomorrow. It's long been said that the cryptocurrency markets can and will provide real-world solutions to long-standing chronic issues, and you can count on seeing a lot more, just like what Bancor is doing, real social impact. It seems that blockchain 3.0 and 4.0 are headed into making significant strides above what traditional systems can and have been providing. Earlier this week, we also covered Ripple XRP, making amazing progress. They were up 5% yesterday and have furthered that increase to 8% today. They've announced a partnership with 3 new exchanges, Bittrex being the biggest and their flagship, to provide cross-border payments. Bitso and CoinsPH are the other 2, being in Mexico and Philippines respectively. This will allow cross-border payments between the United States and Mexico unlike ever before, allowing for a blockchain-based remittance program to service international payments across borders. We will begin to see the financial revolution happen. Providing value and cost savings in these major financial players is the answer to widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies. While Bitcoin hovers above 6,300, even pushing from 63 to 6,500 overnight and having $10 billion injected into the overall market cap, and as the retail markets wait in anticipation to see how the close of 2018 is going to go, some of the altcoins have boomed yesterday and retained some of that initial boost, and a couple have furthered that upward motion. Starting with VeChain, yesterday it was up 40% and a high of 0.015 cents. Today that has calmed down to 0.013 and a 24-hour volume of 90 million. The volume is the same as it was all day and night, and I suspected that the price was going to bounce off the 0.012 support and resume its upward motion. Obviously, all of this analysis of altcoins that I'm going to be presenting to you is very dependent on the entire market cap, as the overall market cap contributes to the swings of Bitcoin and its altcoins. It should also be noted that Bitcoin dominance has dropped 1% overnight, but is still above 50%, making a high for Bitcoin dominance that has not been seen since November of 2017. That's really interesting, of course, and it really makes me think about those experts that are calling for a similar market structure as it was in late 2017. Bitcoin dominance showed a lot of strength in October and November of 2017, and we all know what came shortly after that. The big bull run and all-time highs for many assets. Bitcoin was at $20,000 during the height of that run, and the overall market cap was pushing $1 trillion. The technicals for VeChain show a low RSI, supporting my suggestion of a bounce at 0.012. I made that call prior to actually looking at the 4-hour chart, but after seeing this, it is clear that it did fall below 0.012 and bounced off the 0.010 to 0.011 range, so I was relatively accurate in saying that. Next up, we have Lisk, which was pumping yesterday to $4.33 and has fallen 30 cents to just $4. One of the more upvoted technical charts for Lisk showed a completed bull cycle, and that a retracement is in the works following an Elliott wave structure to close the 5th wave at 4,700 satoshis, or just above that. Next, we have Ontology, which was neck and neck with VeChain at over 40% gains yesterday and has pumped even further to 52%. Wow, good job to anyone in Ontology. Give yourselves a pat on the back because that's an amazing 24-hour gain. With such a high pump in some of these altcoins, it's clear to me that Ontology will see a retracement in the coming days. Profits will be taken and we'll see Ontology likely correct back to the 3,100 Satoshi support level. The technical summary on TradingView does indicate a buy, but be wary of that. The only way I see Ontology being a good short-term buy right now is if this market gets injected with a good pump. The gains that Ontology have seen have been surprising considering the low market cap and Bitcoin hanging on by a thread above 6K. As always, time will tell, but I don't suspect at the current overall market cap that Ontology will pump much past 60%. However, stranger things have happened and I could be surprised. Many cryptocurrencies are very cheap right now, so invest in the projects that you personally believe in. Zilliqa was pumping yesterday as well. Ontology and Zilliqa, along with VeChain, are three of my favorite assets in this space, and I think they have so much promise. They are on the cutting edge of their respective spaces and are helping push the boundaries of acceptable innovation within financial technology. These assets will continue to show promise. VeChain with Bright Food and a number of other cold chain logistics companies. I'm so bullish on VeChain, probably more than any other asset. Followed up shortly there by Ontology, and then Zilliqa coming in third. That's my personal ranking. I'm not entirely familiar with Lisk, admittedly, not nearly as much as the other three, but it's also pumping right now, along with some of my other favorite assets, so I will give it the A-OK. NANO has also continued its pump from yesterday and has had a similar run to what Ontology has seen in the last 24 to 36 hours. Similar to Ontology as well, the technical indicator does show a buy. And one of the technical analysis from yesterday shows a potential golden cross that did end up confirming where the 250 moving averages crossed. It's a very bullish sign for NANO. With all of this market activity in the altcoins, it gives me the underlying impression that we could have an underdog bull run in the works. With the market cap as low as it currently is, I would be surprised if all of the aforementioned assets continue their further upward motion. However, this could be a signal for what is to come in the short term. Beware anyone on BitMEX using leveraging and shorting Bitcoin or any other assets, as another huge move in the price of Bitcoin could happen in a very short period, just like it did a few weeks ago. We could be seeing a bull run formation in its early stages. Time will tell, and all we can do is continue to monitor these markets. Some of the altcoins have boomed in the last 24 to 36 hours, so I wanted to take some time and showcase what is going on with some specific assets and what you could possibly expect in the short term. Make sure you do all of your own research and research thoroughly. There's a lot of misinformation all over the place about this market. Keep yourself up to date and informed by hitting that subscribe button and joining the CRC crew. Click the white bell notification button as well so you don't miss out on any of our content. And don't forget to hit that like button. We have an entirely new giveaway structure and all we have to do is hit 50 likes. Most of the videos are hitting the first threshold for views, so get those likes rolling in because I'm itching to give some Bitcoin away to our faithful viewers. There are so many resources and online discussions that probe the issue of cryptocurrency, and there exists a lot of barriers to entry that is holding this space back from quote-unquote mass adoption. I do think the words mass adoption are overused and underappreciated for what they really mean. Cryptocurrency remains an incredibly emerging space with over 1,800 assets now and more coming onto the market every day. Development continues at light speed, and the future of value transfer is slowly being worked out. Be patient. Learn to develop trust with content creators in this space for bringing you unbiased and honest reporting. Make sure to do all of your own research. The longer that I participate in covering the daily news and the longer that I speculate on this market, the more confident I become that we are really onto something big here. We, the cryptocurrency enthusiasts, are focused on real-world solutions to many long-standing issues. Will the powers that be take notice? Will they give this space the recognition and spotlight that it deserves? Time will tell, and all we can do is monitor these markets. Continue to follow our daily content on this evolving cryptocurrency space because I provide daily analysis on all of the trending topics. Make sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think about my opinion on this potential bull run. And thank you once again to the CRC crew for your continued support. Happy trading everyone, and I will see you all very soon.